This is a 2008 BMW 328. This car has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter inline six-cylinder engine. Its top features and packages include the premium package, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, interior wood trim accents, a multi-link rear suspension, heated washer fluid, a low tire pressure indicator, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This BMW has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Dallas Roadster is located at 404 North Central Expressway in Richardson. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for our future visits.